everything I am, everything I know. What's mine now? Finding out what's true since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it's come of shame now.